Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the dimensions and specifications of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This phone is one of the most advanced models in the market and comes with a plethora of features that are sure to impress you. Subscribe our channel. Let's start with the dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It measures 160.8 by 78.1 by 7.7 mm, 6.33 by 3.07 by 0.30 in, and weighs 240 grams, 8.47 ounces. The phone is available in 4 colors: graphite, gold, silver, and Sierra blue. It has a glass front and back with Gorilla Glass protection and a stainless steel frame, giving it a premium look and feel. Moving on to the display, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. It has a resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels and a pixel density of 458 ppi. The phone has an aspect ratio of 19.59, and its bezel-less display features a notch for the front camera. The display of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is protected by scratch-resistant ceramic glass with an oleophobic coating. It also features HDR10, Dolby Vision, and True Tone technologies. Moreover, it has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1000 nits, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making it one of the most vibrant displays in the market. When it comes to the network, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is compatible with GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G technologies. It comes with a single SIM, nano SIM and/or eSIM, or a dual SIM, nano SIM, eSIM, dual standby option. The phone also supports various frequency bands, including 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. The phone runs on iOS 17 and is powered by the Apple A17 Bionic 3nm chipset, a hexa-core CPU, 2 by 3.22 GHz Avalanche plus 4XX, XGHZ Blizzard, and a 5-core Apple GPU. It has 6 GB of RAM and internal storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, with NVMe support. However, it doesn't have an external card slot. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a triple camera system that includes a 12 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels telephoto camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. The primary camera has an f1.5 aperture, a 26mm wide lens, dual pixel PDAF, and sensor shift OIS. The telephoto camera has an f2.8 aperture, a 77mm lens, PDAF, OIS, and 3x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera has an f1.8 aperture, a 13mm lens, and PDAF. The phone's camera features 3x optical zoom in, 2x optical zoom out, and digital zoom up to 15x. It also has a night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR4, photographic styles, macro photography, and Apple Pro RAW. The phone's selfie camera has a 12 megapixels resolution with an f2.2 aperture and a 23mm lens. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera system can record videos at 4K at 24/36 fps, 1080p at 30. Moving on to the audio capabilities of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it comes with stereo speakers that provide an immersive audio experience. It also has support for spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, which means that you can enjoy a cinematic audio experience while watching movies or TV shows. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports Wi-Fi 6E, which provides faster internet speeds and better range. It also has Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless audio connectivity, and NFC for contactless payments and other uses. The battery life of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is impressive, with up to 28 hours of talk time and up to 95 hours of music playback. It supports fast charging and can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also has support for wireless charging and can be charged using any Qi-certified charger. Finally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on the latest iOS 17 operating system, which offers a range of new features and enhancements. It also comes with a range of built-in apps and services, including Siri, Apple Pay, Apple Music, and Apple TV+. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a high-end smartphone that offers a range of advanced features and capabilities. Its large 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, powerful A17 Bionic chipset, advanced camera system, and impressive battery life make it a top choice for anyone looking for a premium smartphone.